Hello, what is your name?
I'm Norlin Perez de Chosa.
How old are you?
I'm 34 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm born again Christian.
Okay, are you married?
Single mother.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have.
How many kids you have?
Only one.
How old?
He's 7 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
3 years and 9 months.
Okay. 3 years, 9 months.
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, I have.
Where?
In Kuwait.
And then?
Also in United Arab Emirates. All 6 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
In Hong Kong.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
900 square feet.
How many family member there?
3 adults, and 1 2 years old daughter.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6:30, and then I prepare my breakfast, and then I prepare my stir and tai breakfast. And then when the babies wake up, I feed her, and then change her diaper, change her clothes, and then feed her. After 10:30 in the morning, I go with Papa in the market.
Okay.
And then when we go home around 11:30, I give congee for the baby, and then after I let her sleep, and then I'm doing the household
Okay.
chore like washing clothes, clean the living room, tidy up the bedroom, and then afternoon I prepare for their dinner like around 5:30, and then I start cooking at 6:30. 7:30 they eat dinner.
Okay. So what time you go to bed?
Around 9:30 to 10:30 p.m.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.